the moment. They've announced in the AGM, Chairman Mukesh Ambani has announced that there will be an IPO for Jio, which will list in the second half of first half of calendar year 2020 or 2026. All right. So the process has happened and listing will happen in H1 calendar year 2026. Let's pull up the stock and just talk for a second about why it's not reacted too well. Well, if it was a demerger, it might have been better. Perhaps that's one of the reasons, Samir?
Yes, because the fact is that if it's an IPO, the existing shareholders of Reliance Industries, they do not get anything. They have to apply
Unlike a demerger.
Exactly. And moreover, there will be a holding company discount that comes in for Reliance Industries. If it would have been a demerger, then that would have been on the lower side. Hence, that's the reason we are seeing this kind of a negative reaction for Reliance Industries. Now, if you look at Jio platform, it's valued at around 11.9 lakh crore rupees by analysts. It gets around 30 to 35% of the total SOTP valuation of Reliance Industries, and that now moves out, plus a holding company discount comes in. So the valuation of Reliance Industries share prices goes down accordingly. Hence, that's the reason this negative reaction.
How much would be the dilution? Ideally, you're talking about when the IPO takes place. Obviously, you would assume that it's 25 or less than 25, right? So in that sense, there is a considerable component that will continue to receive the proceeds from the Jio business. Wouldn't you say?
No. So they have more than 50%. So it will be still a subsidiary.
Sure.
Around 63% they own in Jio platform. So it will continue to remain as a subsidiary despite the fact that they raise fund of around 2.5% or 5% depending on what they want to do and depending on SEBI rules right now. But yeah, it will continue to remain as a subsidiary and they will get, it will be consolidated in the books. But then again, there will be an holding company discount and that could vary anywhere between 30 to 40%. In some cases, we are also seeing northwards of 50%.
Interesting.
Okay, so we'll come back with a little more on that Jio IPO and what it means for existing shareholders of RIL, because I think that's a story at this point. But Samit Sarkar with